I'm going to be kind of serious today.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
My name is Nimphius and I'm from the Oracle Digital Assistant Product Management team. In these 2 minutes, I will talk about remote controlling skills from a digital assistant through parameterization. In this digital assistant, we have 3 skills defined. If I scroll down here, you see that I have parameters defined. And I can have as many as I want. So basically everything that can be controlled in a skill through expressions can be exposed as a parameter. And what we see is a horizontal layout with 3 cards on it. Rerun. And now we change the behavior and the looks of the skill through parameterization. So how does it work? In a skill board, you have the settings panel. And in the settings panel, you have the configuration tab, which at the lower end has a custom parameter section. Parameters that start with the DA and the dot, as I use in my naming here, are exposed to Digital Assistant. If you use a regular name, then the parameter is just for use with the skill board. How do you reference this? I can use a reference to the parameter through system.config and then the name of the parameter. Similar, I can do the same from an entity. Here I do have a composite bag entity. I have an expression system.config with the name of the range size parameter exposed to Digital Assistant. And finally, I can do the same in a dialog flow. Here I do have a card defined, and this card layout is set to horizontal. In its visibility, I use an expression, which is a budget-free marker, to first check if the parameter is set. If the parameter is set, then actually I would just verify if it's set to vertical or horizontal, and if this is set to horizontal, I display that card.
Was that a good tip?
Quite a sight, wasn't it, sir?
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.